Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to use another plugin, which is basically sort of like Isochrone mapping, but it is a little bit more precise since it's gonna use the network, so roads, uh, to tell you how far you can walk. So um, the first thing that we need to do is again download the plugin. So to do so, go into plugins, manage and install plugins. And for this one, we're gonna look for ISO number 4 app. Um, then you click here. So it's for isochrone and iso distance. Click install. Once it's installed, close this window. And now you're gonna have it here at the top. So the way this works, before we use it, you need to request an API um, key. So to do that, click on the tab and then request API key. That will take you to this website. Fill up your name, your last name, and your email. After you do that, you're gonna get an email like this one with your name and password. Go back to this website, click login, use your credentials to log in, and then you're gonna get your API key here. And as you can see, it's a trial, and you only have 300 credits. From the example that I done, I've been and your credits are limited to 60 credits or like 10 requests per day. So keep that in mind. I have used 32 credits so far. Uh, so then grab this key, take it into copy and paste it, and then go into ISO, set parameters, and in the API key, just paste them in there, and you should be good. So the way this works is now that we have the window open, we're gonna set an isochrone. So I'm gonna want to know how far I can, how far I can travel in 10 minutes from my site. So I go isochrone 10 minutes. Travel time, I can do bike, motor vehicle, or pedestrian, and we'll do pedestrian. Starting point, this has to do with how precise you want this to be, and 50 meters is the most precise, so I always keep it at that. Restricted areas, leave that on so that sometimes certain rows are not available, so it'll automatically will taken out of that and will avoid them. The speed, I usually go in normal, and then in the output, instead of going polygon, you click on a street network, because then it's gonna look into the networks and the streets that are available and tell you like, okay, these are the streets that are reachable in a 5-minute walk or like 10-minute walk. So after that is set up, click OK. I'm gonna zoom in because you need to click on a road. So I'm gonna go in the middle of the site and click. And there you go. So now I'm gonna change the color of this so it's more, you can see it properly. If I remember how to do this. Oh yeah, properties, simple line. I'm gonna change it to red, and I'm gonna give it a little more thickness to it. Okay. And there you go. This is what you can walk in 5 minutes from that given point. As you can see, it's not doing an actual like a buffer zone. It's actually using the roads to tell you where you can get at. So it's a little bit more precise than the buffer zone. And again, keep in mind that all these layers are not saved and are not permanent. So if you want to, you have to right click it, make permanent, and then save it to one of your folders. And that's pretty much it for this plugin. Cheers.